Hello guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to order from AliExpress. So in this one I'll be using my Android application. So guys, make sure to firstly create an account. I don't remember if you need an account to order, I think so. So just do it, it just takes a little time. And after that, when you have your account set up, you can just browse what you want to buy. For example, let's say we want to buy an iPhone or something. iPhone 13. Then we go to a certain page, say for example this one. In here you can just view some photos, right? You can see the price, you can see if maybe there's a discount. In my case there is 25% off. I'm not sure if this is the original, probably not. Then you press on buy now. Okay, you choose the quantity, you choose which color you want. I'll choose this one for example. Alright, and in here guys you choose your preferred payment method, right? So your card, you can use Google Pay, PayPal, whichever pretty much ways of paying you have. So the checkout methods. And then you press on place order. And if you later want to view the status of your order, you need to go to your account, my orders, and in here you can see what your order is like, right? Its status, where it is, if it's shipped or not, maybe it arrived, etc., etc. So pretty simple, guys. Only a few clicks and you've got your items. Enjoy. If this helped you out, don't forget to press thumbs up on the video and of course subscribe to our channel.